Hey, what's up guys? We've got another little rod unboxing today. Been waiting for this one along with some more lures. Let's take a look at this rod. I'm not sure if this is the right end, or I think they're both the same. Gonna try and get into it. You wrap this up good and proper, this one. It's the best one I've had wrapped so far. This is a KUYING? How am I saying it? KUYING? Is that how you say it? KUYING TETON. Well, they wrapped that one up good. The KUYING TETON. The KUYING TETON ttc662L. This rod gets a lot of hype on YouTube. So this is a super good one for the price, so I couldn't help myself but to get one. Let's take a look at it, and so far the handle looks super scratched up, the plastic. Can't even get it out here. Let's get the tip out. But if you can see there, look how scratched up the plastic is on the handle. No big deal, but it's not very nice. First impressions on the cork, it's kind of foamy. Almost feels like EVA, I don't know yet. Not the best, but it's not the worst. Here we go, it's out. This label was stuck on something. The KUYING TETON ttc662L. It's supposed to have Fuji guides. Not I think they're stainless steel. Fuji guides, Fuji components. It's got a nice little nice purple color to it. I'm not sure if you can see it in the light. It's like a nice dark purple color. Not through the whole blank, it just stops at the first guide. The rest of it's like grey. How many guides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 guides, which is really nice. I have another cheap one from Aliexpress. I think it has 8 guides or 9, and the guide, the line touches the blank. 2 to 10 grams. 6'6", line 3 to 8 pounds. But if you watch Bass and Bonsai's video, he casts like over 30 gram on this rod, which is insane. Insane. That's one reason I got it, because if you can cast 2 grams up to like 30 grams, I wouldn't fish that heavy, but probably like maybe 14 grams maximum with it. It's really nice. Not a huge fan of when you can see the thread after the reel seat is tightened up. Probably gonna see a few threads there. Not a big fan of that, but it's not bad for the money. I think it was €81. So yeah, quick little unboxing of the rod. Looks super nice. Can't see anything wrong with the guides or anything, just apart from this having a few little marks on it. Fuji reel seat also. A few marks, but yeah, it's no big deal. This feels okay. Feels pretty light. Okay, so I put my reel on it and you actually don't see any of that thread, which is really good. I like that. So your finger is going to be here on the blank. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Hold it like that for some reason. Your finger will be here, nicely touching that ring and the blank. depending how short or long your fingers are. You can feel a lot through the blank, which is nice, yo. Feels super light with the Corrado BFS on there. Oh, that feels sick. I can't wait to go fishing now. Woo, that feels good, yo. Really light rod, really light. And I also checked the action of the tip. It's like a almost moderate fast, I'd say, to fast. Super nice action, and I'm liking it. Gonna be a really versatile light rod for sure. Looking nice with the Corrado on there too. I just noticed afterwards that the bottom section of the rod has red rings around it here, and the top section has gold rings, so I'm not sure what that's about. If they sent me a different end for some reason, let me know in the comments if you guys have this rod, if yours is the same, because I'm gonna write to them and ask about that, because it seems a bit dodgy. Okay, so one thing I said last night when making the video, it was a bit darker, was this bottom section looks like dark purple, but it's more of a dark red, like burgundy color. It's really hard to see it in the camera. Maybe I can get a close-up shot. I also really like the carbon here on the back and on this part here. Feels nice. So yeah, next video will be fishing with this when lure season opens in a week or two. Keep an eye out for that one, yo.